Hey everybody! Today I'm going to be taking you with me on a 5-hour paddle trip down the Zumbro River in southeast Minnesota. The Zumbro River consists of 3 major branches, designated the north, middle, and south. I will be starting downstream of all 3 branches that I just mentioned, at a canoe launch just north of Zumbro Lake. I will travel 17 miles to Hammond, Minnesota, along a picturesque geologic region known as the Driftless area, with topography comprised of a unique landform known as karst. Karst features are characterized by numerous underground streams, sinkholes, blind valleys, and springs, and are highly susceptible to groundwater contamination. The water level in the river was higher than average today, and the current was strong, but the surface of the water was calm. This made for very pleasant and easy paddling. Overall, I would recommend this route for beginners, especially the second half of the route from Zumbro Falls to Hammond, which was the most beautiful. There were occasional sections with stronger ripples on the surface of the water, and a few sections that required technical paddling to avoid downed trees, but the river was very wide and allowed plenty of space to avoid these obstacles.
Okay, Lou. Good boy.
Louie and I took a short lunch break here. Some of the stronger ripples on the surface were high enough to splash a small amount of water into the canoe. You can see Louie get a little nervous as we travel through this rough section.
Ooh.
These sections were few and far between. You can see that most of the river was exceptionally calm and pleasant.
Good boy. Good boy.
I was jealous of this lucky cabin owner with a lovely spot on the shore. Here's the canoe landing in Hammond, where we finished our trip. Don't mind the construction going on the bridge.